Here are a few ways you can try to draw an arrow in Google Docs. The first method is by using the keyboard shortcut. So you can just press and hold Alt on your keyboard and then followed by number 26 to create a right arrow. But remember that the number or the key that you have to press has to be a numeric key. So if I press Alt 26, it's going to create the right arrow. And the same is true if you press 27, 24, 25. So these are the shortcuts or the code to create an arrow using keyboard shortcut. Alternative method you can try is by using the insert menu. You can click insert and then special characters, and you can just type arrow on the search bar, and it will give you plenty of options or arrow that you can insert in your document. And I think this is quite useful if you have a specific design of arrow in mind. So that was the second method. Another method you can try is by using emoji. I think emoji is quite popular and it's a quite a fun way to get something or to direct something in your document. To insert an emoji, just go to the insert menu again and then click emoji. And you can use the search bar to quickly find the type of emoji that you want to insert. In this case, it's going to be an arrow. So I have this, you can just insert that into your document. So that was the third method. Another method you can try is by going to the drawing menu. This is quite more advanced, but basically you can design the arrow that are going to be unique or customized. To do that, just go to the insert menu and then click drawing, click new. This drawing menu has a dedicated menu to draw an arrow. Just click on this line and let's say I'm going to create this arrow. If you want to get something that is straight, I highly recommend to press and hold the shift key on the keyboard. So it's going to look like this, and after that I'm going to change the color to this brown or maybe red. I don't know, it looks similar, and I'm going to make it a bit bolder to 4 pixels. And at the end or start point you can give it an arrow sign like that, and when you're done just click save and close. So we have this arrow, and for some reason Google Docs is kind of glitchy when it comes to using the drawing feature. So a lot of times you have to resize this manually to get it to the real size of the arrow. And after that you will get this arrow. To move it around, you can apply some text wrapping setting to that arrow. So I think I'm gonna be using this setting. So this allows me to basically move the arrow around and the text surrounding it will move accordingly. So that's, I think, a really nice setting for this object. If you want to change the setting again, just click on the arrow or click on the subject and click edit, and it will bring you back to this drawing menu. And that's basically how you can draw an arrow in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful.